Celebrity businessman Kevin O'Leary has taken the stand today at the trial of his wife Linda O'Leary, who is charged in connection with a fatal boating crash. CTV's Mike Arsalides is standing by outside the courthouse in Parry Sound, Ontario. So, Mike, what did we learn today from Kevin O'Leary's testimony?
Good afternoon, Lois. So what Kevin O'Leary is saying is what his defense lawyer, at least his wife's defense lawyer, Brian Greenspan, has said all along, that they witnessed an unlit boat in virtual darkness. Invisible is the word that Kevin O'Leary used at the time on Lake Joseph on the water. The O'Learys were returning home from a dinner party that night at a nearby cottage at a friend's house when they had to travel about 5 to 7 minutes, a few kilometers. And it's at that time they struck another boat. At the time, O'Leary telling the court today via Zoom, he didn't know what they had hit. He remembers saying, "Is everyone okay?" He remembers his wife saying, "Is everyone okay?" O'Leary telling the court they did not hear back from anyone on that other boat. It's at that time, he says, about a minute later, which we have heard in testimony from police, that it was 49 seconds after the collision that second boat, a Super Air Nautique, driven by Dr. Richard Roux, finally turned its lights on and then proceeded to drive away, because we know now that there were 2 passengers on that boat at the time who were injured severely. One person dying on the dock, that being 64-year-old American Gary Poltash, and 48-year-old Uxbridge, Ontario mother Susanna Brito, who died in hospital days later. So that's where we stand right now. We're taking a bit of a break. O'Leary has been testifying now for about 3.5 hours. And the Crown is continuing now its cross-examination of O'Leary after lawyer Brian Greenspan, the defense, basically stated yesterday that O'Leary is here to exonerate his wife. He didn't necessarily have to call Kevin O'Leary here, but yesterday Greenspan telling the court, "We have been given no reason as to why we are here. There is no fundamental basis for this trial to occur," he says, because there is no evidence that Linda O'Leary acted in any way without care and attention while navigating that boat on the waters just before midnight on August 24th, 2019. So what we know right now is O'Leary is echoing all the testimony we've heard from family, friends, and witnesses from the O'Leary cottage that night, saying that the other boat on the water that night had no lights on and it was virtually invisible on Lake Joseph, which resulted in the collision and unfortunately the passing of 2 individuals on that other boat, which had about 12 stargazers at the time on Lake Joseph.
And Mike, just quickly here, we only have a few seconds left, but what's next in the trial?
This is basically it. This is the defense's first and only witness, Kevin O'Leary, and he's going to continue testifying right now from the cross-examination by Crown Attorney Samir Adam. Samir Adam is trying to figure out now what O'Leary said to police after the crash and how that may differ from what he's saying in court now. O'Leary basically saying, "My memory wasn't the best because it was chaos. It was a frenzy. It was hysteria. One of the passengers on his boat had a gash to her head, that being Linda O'Leary's friend, Alison Whiteside, and their main concern at that time was getting attention to Miss Whiteside because they didn't know what they had hit. And ultimately, 2 people died. And right now, O'Leary is saying anyone operating a boat unlit at night is taking a risk with their lives. And unfortunately, that's what happened in this scenario.
All right, CTV's Mike Arsalides reporting for us. Thanks so much.